Now we are finding vector equation of a plane passing through three non-collinear points. Now this is the figure, and R, S and T be the three non-collinear points with vector A, B and C, and with any point P on it, and that is for vector R, and then RS cross RT. Now I am going to describe exactly what these are. Now let R, S and T be three non-collinear points on the plane with position vectors vector A, vector B and vector C respectively. One thing, now vector RS and vector RT, vector RS this one and RT, okay. Now vector RS and vector RT are in the given plane, therefore are in the given plane, then RS cross RT, then vector RS cross vector RT is perpendicular to the plane containing points R, S and T. Now let vector R be the position vector of any point P, position vector of any point P in the plane. Now we are getting RS cross RT and we are getting vector R, then equation of the plane, now equation of the plane passing through R and perpendicular to RS cross RT, RS cross RT is given by, now this will be given by vector R minus vector A, sorry, vector R minus vector A dot RS cross RT is equal to 0, and this can be written as vector R minus vector A cross vector B minus vector A cross vector C minus vector A is equal to 0. Required equation in vector form passing through 3 non-collinear points is this one, is vector r minus vector a cross vector b minus vector a, vector c minus vector a is equal to